camera scares me, but this is called butt sex frame in 19.9 inch. We have the Colt Sequoia. The last one checked Tree actually makes these, so these are the Tree Sequoias rather. And this is a Cavalera folding tire. I don't know why they need to call it the folding tire, because I'm pretty sure I don't need to fold it. I'd rather slip it over the rim like a condom on a freshly birthed penis. We've got our Cinema, front rim, stock, male, pub, gay. We've got the fly bikes, rear wheel, stock, gay, sucks, untrue, fuck you. Alright, we have the Shadow Conspiracy, interlock chain, because it interlocks with each other, okay? We have the Shadow Conspiracy Ravager, 25-tooth motherfucking sprocket. Stolen Team 2 cranks. I think they're the 2s, because then there's the 2.5s with the little holes you can fuck. And then we've got the stolen turbo lights, and those suck. Let's see. Demolition bottom bracket. Oh, right there. Take headset. Odyssey dirt forks. And the pink Sextions 2 seat. The Colt DAC grips. Colt DAC. Fucking tree bar ends. And the fly bikes Contolia stem. Or whatever the fuck that means right there. That's what it is. That French word. And yeah. Gotta love this right here. It gets me to work.